Alright, my Prezi is on the interviews on physical fitness of my mom, dad, and grandpa. And my mom is 38, my dad is 45, and my grandpa is 72. First question I asked was, what personal challenges do you face when exercising? And my dad's response was that he has trouble actually getting out and exercising because his job is physically demanding and he gets tired really easily. My mom's was she had trouble fully completing the exercise because she got tired pretty easily, same with my dad. And then my grandpa also said that one of his main difficulties when exercising is that he gets tired very quickly. The next question I asked was, what are the physical benefits of your exercise plan? And my mom said that her exercise plans make her feel very good about herself and less stressed. And my dad said that exercising makes him feel more happy and makes him feel healthy. And my grandpa said that exercising makes him feel good about himself because a lot of elderly people aren't very active and he stays pretty active. Next question was, how did finances influence your decision for your personal exercise plan? And my mom, she says that it was pretty necessary to have a part of her paycheck towards a gym membership because it keeps her active and healthy. My dad doesn't like spending money, so he doesn't buy a gym membership, and he just feels like he should just go outside instead of spending money. Same with my grandpa. He says he would never spend money on a gym membership because he likes to be outside. Next question was, what motivates you to exercise? And my mom said exercising so she can stay healthy and live a long life with good health. And my dad said that it motivates him to stay, his health motivates him. He wants to stay active so he can be healthy throughout his life. And my grandpa is motivated by his health as well, and he wants to always stay active and live long. Next question was, how did access to the activity, equipment, facility influence exercise choices? And my mom said that the facility affected her exercise choices because she likes to run on treadmills, so her ankles don't start to hurt, because her ankles always hurt when she doesn't run, like when she runs on the gravel or in the gym on the track. My dad said that when he exercises, it's affected by weather because he'll only exercise if it's nice outside. He doesn't like paying for gym memberships. My grandpa also said that it's affected by the weather because he loves to run outside and walk on nice days. The next question was, in what way do you feel your regular exercise plan improves you as a person physically, mentally, and socially? My mom said exercising makes her feel good about herself and it makes her feel healthy. My dad also said that it makes him feel better about himself as a person. It feels like he can do more as he gets older. And my grandpa said it makes him feel better physically and mentally because it makes him feel as if he could do more instead of sitting around. And he exercises. One of his goals is to not be in a nursing home, so he exercises to stay healthy to avoid that. And the next question was, how have your priorities changed with exercising as you grow older? And I made this question up just to get one of my own questions. And my mom said that when she was young, she used to mainly play sports, which kept her active. But as she grew older, she found herself having to develop a schedule to keep active because she doesn't have those sports every day keeping her active. My dad said that when he was younger, he played sports, lifted, ran to keep active. He used to be very active, but now he finds himself lacking with exercise because he doesn't exercise a lot. And my grandpa said that when he was a teenager, he played sports and ran. Then he went to the military, which was obviously very physically demanding. And then he came back and was a postman his whole life, so he was staying active his whole life. And then when he retired, he found himself having to make a schedule, so he walks and takes hikes and bikes around a lot to keep active. Okay, that was my Prezi. And some of the similarities I found between them was that my mom and my dad and grandpa all find exercising, like they like to do it so they stay healthy so they can live longer. And my dad's dad is the grandpa that I interviewed, and he also said that he would never spend money on a gym membership, and they're very alike in that they hate spending money. My grandpa rarely eats out, and they all like not spending money on gym memberships. But my mom, a difference is that my mom actually thinks it's very worth her money to spend it because it gives her a place to go and exercise and just relieve some stress and get out there and exercise. That's my present.